keeping this short without any nonsense, just getting to the point. This is the NAM for the 25th of February. This is your Saturday night, Sunday storm. This is big cottonwood, so you're going to get a little bit more up in canyons. And this is up in Snow Basin and Powder Mountain and then Logan. This storm's given up just a little bit. You can make some arguments that the snow to water ratio is going to be a little higher. I actually ran the numbers, and even at 2 to 1, you still get 5. You might get some snow to water ratios that are above 2 to 1, but you're not going to get them for the entire storm. The storm's going to pretty much go from dusk until dawn with another inch, maybe, if you're lucky during the day. Should give you, you're not going to have great driving conditions up the canyons, but that's unfortunately it.